Hey, today I wanted to share a few updates on our AI Autotag feature for Dex. Dex is a personal CRM that brings together all your relationships in one place, and Autotag, as the name suggests, applies tags to contacts with AI. We released Autotag with AI last year, and we've made some pretty major updates. So on the whole, AI auto tag is now a lot more powerful. Before, you could only auto tag up to 250 contacts at once, and now you can auto tag up to 1,000 at once. It's also just much faster and more stable than the previous auto tag pipeline that we've had. And now we'll importantly prioritize your existing tags. So if you've already created tags before with other contacts or manually, we've prompted the AI to choose those tags instead of new tags that the AI might suggest. We've also added a little indicator on each tag when you open a contact up to show you which tags have more contacts in them. So you can choose which tags you want to open if you're just trying to explore your tags. And one last important update is tags that you leave on AutoTag or you leave manually are also on the mobile app where you can now create and see and update tags as well. And then as a quick reminder of how AI AutoTag works, AutoTag uses information from a contact like name, title, description, your past notes with a contact, and any LinkedIn data that you've added, we've been able to join with a specific contact. We'll feed that all into AI to find up to 10 tags per contact. And if you have already had 10 tags for a specific contact, AI AutoTag probably won't add additional tags. And in addition, if the contact has no professional information or no LinkedIn information, and it just has like a name, for example, AI auto tag actually won't do anything. It'll just return the same tags that it has had before. For more information on how this auto tag feature works, you can also just search auto tag in our documentation at getdex.com/docs. As a quick reminder of how AI auto tag works, let's say I have a contact open in Dex. Next to the tags menu, there's a button that says AI auto tag. If I go ahead and click that button, it'll add a bunch of add a bunch of tags into this contact. And here we've added this little indicator showing the number of contacts for each tag. As mentioned, we've also made AI auto tag a lot more robust and faster in the bulk setting too. So to do that, you can just select a few contacts wherever you are, open the little dot menu, and then click AI auto tag. And if you use AI auto tag, it should return now much more quickly than it used to. I hope you find these auto tag improvements useful. We started on this in part from feedback that we've heard from users like you. And so if there are any other parts of the app that you'd like us to improve or make a second pass on, we'd love to hear from you as well. Thanks for watching.